Hello my friends, welcome to Session NB. Today I will show you how to fix the black screen problem in OBS Studio. So let's go to the video. First you need to check what your recording source is. Go to the sources tab and click on the plus sign. Select what you want to record. I want to record my desktop screen, so I choose display capture. Tick make source visible, then click OK. Click OK again. It has been done. If this method does not work, you can try second method. Go to Windows settings, then go to display settings. Scroll down a bit and click on graphic settings. Now select the desktop app and click on the browser. Then go to OBS Studio installation folder. Go to the bin folder. Now go to 64-bit or 32-bit folder and select OBS 64.exe or OBS 32.exe. Then click on add. Then click on option. Select high performance and click save. Now restart OBS Studio. It has been successfully done. So see you in the next video. Thanks for watching my videos. If this video is useful for you, give it a thumbs up. Check out our other videos and subscribe to the channel. Ring the bell to stay up to date with the latest on Android, Windows and other tech related stuff here on Shashan NB.